Hi. So, you've spent at least £10,000 training to become a homeopath and learnt how to practice homeopathy, which is fantastic. But are you getting your return on that investment yet? Is that even important to you? And that's not just the financial return on the investment. There's also that enthusiasm that drove you to want to become a homeopath and practice homeopathy in the first place. Are you getting that return on your investment? For me, it's vital that what I do as a job, profession, business, whatever you want to call it, fulfills these three things. It must be fun, it must be focused, and it must be financially rewarding. Otherwise, it's a chore, it's chaos, and an expensive hobby. Do you want to change any of these aspects in your practice? I haven't actually got a name for the workshops I'm offering yet, but it encompasses these aspects. Obviously the fun, focused and financially rewarding part of practice, but I could call it prosperity in practice, or how to have a successful practice on your terms and enjoy the journey. So basically that's my homework, to come up with a catchy title. But what I'd like you to do is to have a think about whether your practice is where you'd like it to be, and if not, how are you going to get there, and what happens if you don't, especially in terms of fun, focused and financially rewarding. If you're willing to change and you'd like me to help you get there, I'm offering 10 people the chance to do a prosperity in practice program over 6 months, which is 14 Zoom-ins and an exclusive WhatsApp share and support group between the workshops to make the prosperity happen. It's £350 for the course, or £35 per workshop, so you'll get 4 free workshops if you pay in full. It starts on the 4th of September. It's an evening workshop on Zoom from 7:30 until 8:30. Starts on the 4th of September, which is a Wednesday. And to get in touch, you can find me at homeopathical.com. You can email me at al@homeopathical.com. And if you want to look specifically at the workshops, it is homeopathical.com/workshops. Thank you.